In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your login devices on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Snapchat app and then tap right here at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji. Next, tap at that gear to head over to Settings. On Settings, somewhere here, you can easily find two-factor authentication. So first off, you need to get into it and then make sure that it is enabled for your Snapchat account via SMS, like in my case, or via authentication app. You can use any of these ways. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, tap right here at Forget Devices, and here you will see a list of all devices from which you are logged into your account. Here I got just my current device, iPhone 15 Pro, and down below here it says the last login time, 11 minutes ago. The same information you will get about each of the devices in that list if you have multiple devices here. If you want to sign out from any device, you can easily tap at this X icon next to it to immediately log out from any device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.